In this video, I will show you how you can check your Spotify Wrapped on PC or desktop. So to get started, go ahead and open your PC or your desktop and make sure that you're signed in into your account on the Spotify app if you have one, or the website. And here, go ahead and use that search button or search field and search for Wrapped. Now, on the search results, you'll be able to find your top songs 2024. And that's basically your Spotify Wrapped 2024. So in here, you'll be able to find your top songs for 2024. Now, you can also do this on the website of Spotify. So let's just go ahead and head over into their website. In here, go ahead and use that search field on their website and search for Wrapped. And on the search result, you'll be able to find your top songs for 2024 and the list of your top songs for 2024 under it. And that's basically how you can check your Spotify Wrapped on PC or desktop. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.